Hey guys, I am in no buy March, but some items came that I purchased in February. So let's get to it. So I had a Ulta coupon. I don't know if you guys received it, but it was like for everything including Prestige. Anytime I get a Prestige coupon, I try to use it. If you don't know what Prestige is, it's one of their limited coupons that you can use even on high-end items like perfume, Lancome, Estee Lauder, and stuff like that. If you don't know about Ulta, their store is split into like your budget friendly items and then what they call prestige, which is high end items. Okay, so anytime I get a prestige coupon, I try to use it because the one girl was telling me that if you don't, they stop sending them to you. So of course, I have a trip coming up, so I went ahead and grabbed this Soap and Glory, the Glorious, and I made sure that they had the bergamot, the one that I like in here, but this has the Righteous Butter, the body wash, the hand food, the face wash, the flake away body scrub, and the body butter. So this I am going to take out of town with me. So that's why I grabbed that. I actually have like 2 or 3 trips coming up, so that'll get used up pretty easily, especially the body wash going out of town. A lot of times I take other lotions and stuff with me, but yeah, so that. And then they have new brushes, and Ulta has been pissing me off since last year. I know y'all know, which is why I went ahead and ordered online, because they don't never have crap in stock at the store. So I don't know if you guys have seen, I got an oldie but goldie e.l.f. foundation brush. All right, Real Techniques came out with some new brushes, okay, you guys, and I was so pissed off that they didn't have them in 2 of the stores that I just went ahead and ordered online. It is the Glow Round Base Brush, Flat Top Kabuki Brush, dense round shape with the flat top. Y'all know how I feel about a flat top brush, okay? Y'all know how I feel about it, baby. So I grabbed 2. That way, if I like it, I don't have to be fooled up with Ulta, okay? Now, Real Techniques has never let me down, so I'm sure I am going to love them. I need to go through my brushes, but I did end up giving my daughter a bunch of brushes and throwing away some that just had bristles and stuff coming out. So, baby, yes, honey, yes, okay? And then I grabbed this LA Girl Velvet Glow Bronzer to try out for like my contour. So we're getting ready to go in the summer. I'm in South Florida. I kind of want to bronze my contour out. I kind of want to be a little bronzy and glowy on the cheeks. I'm still practicing my contour technique. However, I thought this would be really good to try. I think it was really cheap. LA Girl is not expensive when it comes to, you know, their products. So, yeah, so I was able to grab that. This brush number, if y'all want to look it up, is number 259. Go on Ulta or Real Techniques and look up 259, baby. I had to try it out. Let me know if y'all ordered it. If you tried it, let me know. Holla at your girl. And I'm going to show y'all what I got from, I think this other one is either Shein or Temu. Hello, lovely people. I have a few things to go over with you guys because I'm ready to use my stuff, okay? And stuff has been piling up and I have been super busy. Y'all, I'm trying to use this big behind cup. I will tell y'all one thing about this cup from Amazon. Worth it because it's not expensive, but you see how it's already lifting? Whatever they put on here is already lifting, but it is what it is, okay? This is the cup in my office. We're trying to drink more water. We're going to make it do what it do. All right? So, a couple of you were telling me about and I'm trying to be careful opening this because I don't know how they're made, but the credit card tabs to pull cards out of my wallet. The ones I wanted off of Etsy and Instagram and everything like that, to me, were just a little pricey for right now. I knew I was getting ready to go on the no-buy for March. I ordered these in February. I'll show y'all. February, okay? I ordered these in February off of Amazon. Kind of cute. It's called Simple Tabs by Design, Michelle Lynn. Hers were very, very reasonable. If that's backwards, let me know and I'll give y'all the link. So I want to shout her out because the prices on some of these things were kind of ridiculous. And so hers were very reasonable. Came with that card and in this cute little package here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 simple tabs. This is what they look like. Purple, animal print, glitter, black glitter. If you can't see the glitter too well, the silver is glitter, the black is glitter, and then the purple and gray. Different colors on the other side. Really, really cute. 2 different colors on 2 different sides. So I'm going to put these on my cards and see how they work. Because you guys were saying that these were really good to pull your cards out of your wallet. So we're going to test the waters before we get into some of the extensive ones. ATM or credit card readers that take an entire card, simply remove the tab and reapply when finished. So hers were removable, reusable, okay? And here's her card. Simple tabs by design. Her name is Michelle Lynn. She has 25 different designs, and just in case it's backwards, go on Amazon, and it is Simple Tabs by Design. I'm also going to put her on Facebook because honestly, hers were very reasonable. Some of the prices for some of them tabs, and y'all know I ball on a budget. Say what you want to say about me. All right, the next thing I have, I'm hoping, hold on. I took a chance on DHGATE, and I'm hoping one of these is DHGATE. I took a chance on DHGATE. I see a lot of videos of people ordering stuff from DHGATE. Let's see if I did it right. Because you know it don't show you that it has the name brand. But it does. The Chanel mirror. Now, I took a small chance before I take a big chance. I ordered pink. We're going to open this and see if it says, okay? Now come closer. Come closer because we don't want nobody blocking this and stuff. Y'all see the C? Come on. Come in some. Y'all gonna tell everybody. Hold on. Okay. Hold on now. I don't want to use scissors so I don't want to mess it up. Y'all, if this the beat, it's on. It's the beat. It's the beat. It is the beat. Not broken. Thank God the mailman didn't break it. Not broken. It's the beat, y'all. Yes, honey. We pulling this out of our purse, baby. Yes, we need to check your face, check your lips. Now, I will say this took a long time, okay? Longer than AliExpress. Definitely longer than Shein. Definitely longer than Temu, okay? This took a long time, okay? But, baby, yes, hunty, they showed up. They showed up. Hold on, y'all. Y'all know I got to log on for work now. I'm trying to deal with y'all and deal with this. They showed up. So, get ready, because after this March, no buy. After this March, no buy. We're going to do another DHGATE order, okay? We're going to do another DHGATE order. That's what we're going to do. All right. All right, that's DHGATE. And then this is, excuse me, Shein. This is Shein. Someone had requested another cleaning video, like bathroom cleaning video and stuff for me. It is coming. I am going to get back into, it's time for me to clean my refrigerator again. I clean my bathroom at least once a week, but I don't always have time to record. But what happened was my scrubber stopped working. The scrubber stopped working, and y'all know I have the stand-up walk-in shower, and my scrubber stopped working. So I ended up getting another scrubber from Shein. I hope this works. It comes with a bunch of different bristles. And I still have some of these from my other brush. I don't know if they will fit this brush. But, yeah, my brush had stopped working, so I was doing it by hand. And it was very, very tiring. Very tiring to do it by hand. So now that I have that, I will get you guys another bathroom cleaning video. Even the other bathroom or stuff like that. So I will get back to that. The next thing that I ordered, I have always wanted to try these. Let's see if they long enough because of my nails. You know the cleaning scrubbing brushes? I got pink and gray. You know, and I ordered like large or long because of my nails. But you never know because they not thinking about no nails when they make gloves and stuff. And I'm going to tell y'all something. Wearing gloves, even though it's a paint, it's very tight. This is a very tight fit, but we're going to see. This is a very tight fit, and I ordered large. I know y'all don't like cleaning and doing stuff with nails, with gloves, but I'm going to tell y'all something. It will keep you from getting water under your nails. It will keep you from getting greenies, which is not always a fungus. Sometimes you get water under there. You don't notice it for a while. It starts getting what they call a water mold and stuff like that. So as much as I can wear gloves without showering, I wear gloves. So I don't know how these are going to work because my nail is right at the tip of here. And this is a tight fit. This is a tight fit. I might return these. And I'm sad. Where the paper these came in. I'm sad, but that is a tight, but that's a tight fit. My nail is like, so my fingers have nowhere to go. So these I might have to return. I'm going to look at the size that I purchased, but I know for a fact I probably purchased large. I know that for a fact. And that's a tight fit. That's not, it's not even worth me keeping these. It's not. So I'm going to go back on there and see if they have a bigger size. If not, I am going to return those. Because that's not going to benefit me at all. At all. Period. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.